where I get charts from. I'll be using charts from websites called weathercentral.de and weatheroutlook.com. You can find both of these on my links page. Also want to talk about the advertising. That'll usually be a video ad overlaying my weather videos here at gavsweathervids.com. Please play those video ads because you'll be supporting gavsweathervids.com if you do this. Now, as I said in my week ahead forecast on Saturday, things would be changed this week, and things are on the change today. We've got some heavy showers breaking out, maybe some thunderstorms in one or two places as well, and that really is the prelude to the weather cooling down and becoming much cooler, I think, as we go through the rest of the week. Anyway, this situation today, we've got high pressure building up towards Iceland and Greenland. That's going to become important over the next few weeks. We've also, over the next few days, I should say, we've also got an area of high pressure down to the southwest of the country. That's what's given us all the warm weather recently, but it's on its way out. And we've got a weather system, a trough really, coming across the country, and that should be quite weak, but it will be giving us some showers. So I think we're starting off on a dry and fine note across many parts of the country at the moment with a fair amount of sunshine, but showers will develop as we go through the day, and some of those showers could become quite heavy, and there could be some thunderstorms mixed in as well. Temperatures today still on the warm side, still possibly up to around 24-25 degrees before those showers get going in the far southeast, but I think more like 21, 22. That's still very good though for the time of year. Now overnight we may find one or two of those showers merging into longer spells of rain across the southeast of the country for a time before it clears away, but particularly I think for East Anglia and Lincolnshire, but that should clear away into the North Sea then in the second half of the night, and then we'll find another weather system bringing some rain in towards Ireland by the end of the night. The rest of the country should be largely dry with clear spells across many parts of the country. Now, as we go into Thursday, well, that high pressure is trying to ridge back in from the southwest, and the high pressure is also developing up to the north of the country. What this doesn't show us, but again, we've got a weather system lying across the country. So I think we are looking at a lot of cloud tomorrow. Best of the sunshine probably down in the far southwest and to north of Scotland, but really a lot of cloud across the country. There will be showery bits and pieces of rain around as well. The air becoming much cooler across many parts of the country, so those temperatures will be taking a tumble. I think looking at temperatures tomorrow probably maxing out at around 20, 21 degrees, 70 Fahrenheit. That's in the southwest in the sunshine. More like just between so for a lot of us, and I say it will be feeling quite a bit cooler. Now, as we go into a Friday, we're going to find high pressure ridging across the country and ridging up towards Greenland and Iceland, and now we're starting to bring that northerly airstream down across the country. Still some showery rain and cloud around across England and Wales, I think, but much of that rain should be very light and patchy indeed. But there will be quite a lot of cloud down there, and further north, I think we're looking at mainly dry weather with a few sunny spells across parts of Scotland in particular, maybe Northern Ireland as well. So the north doing better on Friday, the south always rather cloudy. Temperatures, well, on the cool side at just 17, 18 degrees at best. 18 is around 65 Fahrenheit. Now into Saturday, well, high pressure is still there, dominating across the country, but it's always centred now to the north, so we're always bringing down this cooler air from the north down that high pressure. Remember, winds go clockwise around an area of high pressure in the northern hemisphere, so that means we're bringing the winds down from the north with the high pressure situated over Iceland and Greenland. So again, we're looking at basically a dry day, more sunshine in the south, I think, and quite a nice day really, actually. I think there will be a fair amount of sunshine across many parts of the country on Saturday, but temperatures will be on the cool side at just 17, 18, 19 degrees in the south, probably just 14s, 15s and 16s in the north. Chance of a shower around some of the coast, but really a lot of dry weather for Saturday. Now, things starting to get uncertain as we go into Sunday. A lot of uncertainty from Sunday onwards, but I think could start to bring a few more showers across the northern and eastern parts of the country on Sunday as that north to northeasterly wind begins to pick up. The best of the dry weather in the west and the southwest. Will be a cool day with temperatures probably at best around 16 or 17 degrees. 17 is 63 Fahrenheit. And then things get further uncertain as we go into Monday and Tuesday, holiday Monday and Tuesday. I think we could start to see some showery rain coming down from the north for bank holiday Monday, so that's not very good at all, really. If you're planning on jubilees, celebrations, outside street parties, that sort of thing, I think we'll be seeing some showery rain moving down from the north on Monday. And it will be cool again. We've got a northerly wind going on there, so it will be quite cool really, with temperatures just 15 or 16 degrees at best in the showery rain. Probably up to around 17 or 18 if you get some sunshine. But I think Bank Holiday Monday will be a cloudy day on the whole, with quite a few showers around. And finally, as we go into Tuesday, well, Tuesday is looking even worse, I'm afraid. We've got this area of low pressure starting to head in from the Atlantic, so there is a question mark about this, but I think Tuesday may well see cloud and rain spilling in off the Atlantic, and that rain moving eastwards through the day. The east of the country getting away with the driest and the brightest of the weather for longest, but I think the weather will go downhill quite badly on holiday Tuesday, with cloud and outbreaks of rain spreading across the country. Temperatures nothing to write home about at all, just 15 or 16 degrees. So the weather does really deteriorate, I think, as we get through to the second half of the holiday weekend. Now finally, looking at the charts from the weatheroutlook.com, seeing the chart in your area. Well, this is the chart for today. We could well have some heavy showers and thunderstorms breaking out, more particularly across England and Wales this afternoon. One or two of those showers, I say, could be thundery. You may hear a crack of thunder mixed in. Temperatures still on the warm side in the south at around 23, 24 degrees, but it is cooling down up to the north, just as 18s, 19s and 20s there. Now going into Thursday, I think we could well have more in way of showery rain across parts of the country. The best of the sunshine down to the southwest, but a lot of cloud around on Thursday, and there will be those showery bits and pieces of more general rain across the country. Now much of this should be quite light, but up to the northwest, perhaps a chance of some heavier rain up there. Those temperatures are coming down. We're maxing out at just 21 or 22 in the south tomorrow, and more like the teens really for the bulk of the country, 17, 18 degrees. Nice day for many parts of the country on Friday, with quite a bit of sunshine around, more particularly in the north. I think we'll have still quite a low cloud in the south with some showery bits of rain, showery bits and pieces of rain, but to the north I think quite a nice day. For Saturday, well, a lot of dry weather, plenty of dry weather here, a nice day with sunny spells. On the cool side though, and it will be cold at night, there could be some ground frost actually on Saturday night and again on Sunday night. This is the chart for Sunday. Sunday should be again largely dry across many parts of the country, but I think we do run the risk, this doesn't show it, but I think we are running the risk of bringing some showers down from the northeast. Those temperatures are on the cool side. These are a bit too low I think, but even so, temperatures at just 17 or 18 degrees at best will be below average for the time of year, and of course many parts of the country will be under that, just in the mid-teens. And then things going downhill as we go into a bank holiday Monday. We've got showery rain coming down from the north, and the unsettled theme gets worse as we go into holiday Tuesday, with outbreaks of rain moving in off the Atlantic. There we go, some of that rain could be really quite heavy indeed. So in summary, the weather is changing. We are looking at showers and maybe even some thunderstorms around for today. Some of those showers could be quite heavy. Showery rain then for Thursday. Drier across many parts of the country for Friday and Saturday. Saturday probably the best day of the holiday weekend, with a fair amount of dry and sunny weather, but the temperatures are coming down. We're losing the warmth, we're losing the heat, the temperatures returning back to normal and then going below average by the time we get through to the weekend. And over the holiday weekend, the increasing risk I think of the weather turning unsettled, so that by holiday Tuesday we're looking at probably quite a wet day with heavy rain moving in off the Atlantic and temperatures very much on the cool side as well. So becoming unsettled over the holiday weekend. That's all for now.